So occasionally I get comments and they want to know exactly how to do this, how to unclog the bathtub drain. That quick video, I didn't have any talking, I just put the snake down and I pulled out the hair. So I'm making this longer video to tell you that I picked this up on Amazon. It's a 4-pack. Okay, it says insert the cleaner into the sewer, twist cleaner, pull out the cleaner. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. They're super sharp. You don't want to stick yourself. It's backing up already. We do use this. It's a little worn though, so maybe we need a new one. Not easy to get in. Let's see if this brings up anything. What in the world is that? Wow. Well, that's what clogged up the drain. Whatever that is. Hair and conditioner? Doesn't smell great, I'll tell you that. Yep. Throw it out. Well, it's running now. It's that easy. Somebody else made a comment and said that it doesn't fix a clog that's further down. That's true. This is just getting caught up right here at the trap. So thank you for watching. Please leave comments. Let me know what you thought. It's the Vastar drain snake on Amazon. I'll leave the link. Have a great day.